Hello everyone and welcome. If your computer takes a long time to start up, in this video I'll show you 5 ways to fix slow boot on Windows 10. First way is to disable fast startup. To do that, you need to go in Settings, System, Power and Sleep, Additional power settings, choose what the power buttons do, change settings that are currently unavailable. And here is the option. Turn on fast startup. Disable it and press Save Changes. If you don't see the option, you'll need to enable hibernation. To do that, right-click on Start button and choose Windows PowerShell Admin. And press the command powercfg / hibernate on. Press enter and hibernate is enabled. If you have too many programs at startup, you can disable startup programs. To do that, right click on taskbar and select Task Manager. Press Startup, and to disable a program, left click on it and press Disable. Do this for each program that you don't need at start. Third way is to upgrade graphics drivers. Updating those drivers can sometimes make Windows boot faster. To do that, right click on Start button and select Device Manager. Go to Display Adapters and right click on the graphics card that you're using and press Update Driver. If you don't have on your computer the driver software available, select Search Automatically. If you have a dedicated graphics card on your computer, you can open that program to check the driver update. Fourth way is to turn off Linux Terminal. To turn this feature off, type Windows Features in search bar and select Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down and uncheck Windows Subsystem for Linux. Here is already unchecked. Press OK and restart your computer. And if you are still using a hard disk, my recommendation is to upgrade to a solid-state drive to make your system to boot a lot faster. Other than adding more RAM memory to your system, upgrading to an SSD is one of the best choices that you can make. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.